how to fix YouTube playback speed not changing issue. So if you want to fix your YouTube playback speed not working, then what you need to do is first tap and hold on to your WhatsApp, go with the app info. From the app info, you need to scroll down a bit and then go with storage and cache. Go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. Once done, you need to go back and then open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search and search for YouTube. Once done, you need to just simply go and update it if you have any updates. After updating, tap on open, which will be on the right side. Go and select the video. After selecting your video, now you can go with the settings, which will be in the top right, and here you will have your playback speed. You can go and adjust your playback speed. But if you don't have your playback speed option on your settings, then there's also another way. What you can do is tap and hold on to this part of your screen, anywhere, the blank space, and as you can see that it says 2x on the top of that video. So this is another way. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.